2020 Absolute Football for Jed. Blake Jenny, good afternoon. Good luck, Jed. McLaren, Jackson, 53 of 149. Calavion Chisen, Jared Allen, 47 of 99. Terry McLaren out of 100. I want to see a Kaboom. I agree. This is the 5th or 6th case of this. We haven't hit a Kaboom yet. And there it is. 4 of 10. Kaboom. Jerry Jeudy. Gold.
Ooh.
Congrats, Jed.
What's it look like?
Actually, I'm going to give it to my lovely wife. If you'll take a picture of that. Jed, congratulations, man.
Wow. That's... One of the guys on there said they pulled the gold Herbert and had people offering like $5 grand.
AEG, man. $13 of 75 Pickney autograph. And 2 of 10 Josh Allen Stargazing. Nice card. Nice bonus there. Ingram, Garoppolo, Kelly, 102 of 199. Oh, man. Jed, go play the lottery today, man. Number 201, 59 of 149. Joe Burrow, rookie premier.
Congrats, Jed.
Talk about a loaded box. All of it comes in the last box.
Are we picturing that one?
Yeah, take a picture of that one too. And have Kevin top load maybe the other one. Fitzpatrick out of 25.
This card really needs a 55.
A what?
A 55 point. I don't have any.
Jed, congratulations, man.
Okay.
Good to hit those once in a while at least, right?